Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to study another very important topic, which is sources of carbohydrates. So, let's understand sources of carbohydrates in detail step by step. Natural sources of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are naturally present in plants and animals. First source is plant sources, second one animal sources. So let's discuss each one and details. First one, plant sources. Plants are the primary producers of carbohydrates through photosynthesis. Examples of plant sources and types of carbohydrates. Source wheat, rice, maize. Gav starch is a polysaccharides. Sugarcane and sugar beet is a source. Gav sucrose, which are disaccharides. Fruits like apples, banana, mango is a source. Gav glucose and fructose is the monosaccharides. And vegetables is like potatoes, curds is a source. Gav starch. Note, plants store carbohydrates mainly as starch, while sugars like glucose and fructose are present in fruits. Second one is animal sources. Animals obtain carbohydrates by consuming plants or plant products. Examples: sources and types of carbohydrates. Source milk, gave lactose, which are disaccharides. Source liver and muscles, and which type of carbohydrates is a glycogen, which is a polysaccharides. Note, glycogen is a storage form of carbohydrates in animals. Manufactured sources. Humans also refine carbohydrates for consumption. Sugar from sugarcane and sugar beet, glucose syrup from starch, malt extract from grains. These are processed forms of carbohydrates used in the food industry. Importance of knowing sources. First one importance is nutrition. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy. Second one, food industry used in making sugar, soft drinks, and confectionery. Third one, agriculture. Knowledge of carbohydrate rich crops helps in food planning. Fourth one, medicals. Carbohydrates are important for energy metabolism and humans. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures and sources of carbohydrates. I hope you are understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. To answer your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.